Good afternoon. Thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. When I first read about Four Thieves Vinegar in a magazine article many years ago, I began making it for my family, and today I would like to share this information with you. There are several different versions of this story on the web. However, according to French folklore, during the 17th century, this concoction of herbs and vinegar kept four thieves, actually grave robbers, from contracting the dreaded Black Plague. It was said that by dousing face masks with this brew, the thieves were able to rob the graves and houses of the recently deceased without falling ill. This is possible since these herbs are potent antivirals, anti-inflammatories, and immune boosters. When you feel a cold or flu approaching, douse your salads and veggies in this vinegar. It actually is quite tasty. You can also take it by the spoonful in warm water with a dash of honey and lemon. The oldest recipe found about herbal vinegars was said to be posted on a wall in Marseilles during the plague. There are many Four Thieves Vinegar recipes, and I have at times myself used only what I had on hand to make it. So many different combinations work. Although some claim that garlic was not in the original recipe, it is a potent antibacterial, and I would not bother with making the vinegar without it. Most modern recipes include what they say were the original four herbs: sage, rosemary, thyme, and lavender. Sage is the herb of choice when the throat is involved. Its antiseptic properties stop throat infections like tonsillitis in their tracks. It is also a lymphatic, which is an important thing to have for an illness that attacks the lymph glands, like the plague. Thyme tames bronchial spasms, breaks up congestion, and alleviates coughs. Rosemary is a strong antiseptic and high in antioxidants. It also has been used historically to repel insects. The additional herbs in the recipe all have health-promoting properties. Juniper berries are antiviral, as is echinacea and elderflowers. Echinacea also has antibacterial properties and is specific for the respiratory system. The pale darko, also high in antioxidants, fights fungus, and the peppermint and catnip, while high in volatile oils, which would repel insects, also have calming and cooling effects on feverish conditions. You can take this formula orally, but never concentrated. Always mix a teaspoon to a tablespoon of the Four Thieves Vinegar with water or food before ingesting. Please check with a healthcare practitioner before giving it to children or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Four Thieves Vinegar can also be used as an insect repellent, or to soak your feet in it if you have toe or nail fungus. In addition, you can use it for cleaning. You can mix half vinegar and half water in a spray bottle. It is effective for areas that need to be disinfected. Four Thieves Vinegar is always a good formula to have on your pantry shelf. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.